we're back here at Memorial Day Madness 2024 during Memorial Day. Thank you to all the vets out there and all those who have served, of course, past, present, and future, always. So what we got here, Tonya?
So now we have George's car. George is really shy, so we're not going to get a whole lot from George, but he is allowing us to go around the car, and this car is a survivor. This car, oh my God, you guys wait till you see the pictures. This shop does some amazing work. Wait till you see what this used to look like. So this is a 69 Chevy Camaro, and this was brought back from the dead. We're talking beauty queen from the grave. So we'll let Andy walk around it really quick. Look at the interior.
You have good ridges on there. We got a 502 under the hood.
So if you have a dead car sitting on your property, or you found a dead car and you want to bring it back to life, we know who you can take it to.
Wait till you see these pictures,
guys. The lines on this are gorgeous, guys. The lines on this are perfect. All right. We obviously have permission, so disregard that. So this is what this used to look like, guys. Look at these pictures. This was a hot mess, guys. Hot mess. I think a fire may have been involved in this.
This is what this car used to look like. That's insane. Look at this.
Guys, this car's... This is what the car looked like when he got it. George, was this car like a fire victim? No? No fire? Rust bucket.
I built the car because this is what I do for a living.
Okay, so...
You can see that I built the car.
Right. So...
Get a car and paint it.
Alright, so he built this car, guys. This is what he does for a living. There it is. He doesn't hang laundry in the backyard. He hangs car parts. Paint shop.
Wow.
Frame. Because this is pieces of this car, like...
Very thorough. I mean, look at that. What it used to look like.
This isn't, hey, I just have a little piece of this car. Can you fix this up for me? This is this whole car. Look at this. This makes me cry.
Well, let us know what you think in the comments, guys. This is insane.
Look at it now.
Look at what it looks like now, guys.
That's insanity. Guys, insanity. The work this man did. That's crazy. Okay, let's finish going around the car.
Yeah.
Guys, the lines. Holy hell. That is insane. Look at this. It's beautiful. All the wires and stuff are... Guys. Like I said, if you need a car brought back from the dead, this man right here. So we're going to go say hi to him really quick, find out what his company's name is, and where he's located. Like I said, he's shy, guys. Be nice. All right, so this is George. George, say hi to our viewers.
How you doing?
George, where's your shop?
Precise Collision, Hackettstown, New Jersey.
So he's very close here. So if you came out to see the show, you're really close to where you can get this done to your car. So look him up. Do you know your phone number?
It's 908-441-2786.
Awesome. And we will put that in the bottom so that you can see it like in person on the bottom, so you don't have to try to go back and get that. But guys, this is beautiful. George, this is amazing. Thank you. Did you serve?
No.
No. Have a wonderful Memorial Day.
You too.
Peace out, guys.